Hey guys, I am come back, and it's my last video on this drawing, and not for all everything, not for everything. Okay, first of all, please subscribe my channel. It's my channel, and guys, this is my link. You can copy this and share to your friends this link. Please check my channel. And now I will continue my drawing about couples, and it's my link, guys. You can subscribe me, you can copy this link and subscribe. Okay, nice. Now I will continue. Let's drawing. Now I will make colorful this, and also this woman and men. Okay, let's go. Very good, very good. I will continue drawing. Nice. And this is shadows. Also, tree and couples need shadows because I have sun there, and it's sun. I think it's sun rain, and I will continue. Okay, nice. Let's try. Very good. Okay. Nice. Very good. I will colorful this. Okay. Very good. Okay. Okay. Very good. Nice. You can follow me and subscribe me, please. It's my channel. And it is amazing tree. Very good. Nice. Okay, guys, please subscribe my channel. I will now draw here children's, and we can make umbrella. Nice. Very good. Okay, and it's rain. I think it's beautiful. I will write here Nina's art. Okay, we need more shadows for this tree, and it's amazing for. Okay, very good. We need rhyme, and please subscribe, guys. Okay, very good. Today is result, and we can show you my channel, guys. It's my channel, and subscribe me. It's my channel link. Bye bye.